What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Haitian Sauce, you know. Go by the name of Ricardo. Haitian Sauce. Okay, guys. You know what I have over here? I have Canation and I have Malta. Okay? Malta. Alright? And mixed together, you get this nice looking chocolate or cafe au lait looking thing. But this is actually Malta and milk. Okay, Malta à lait. That's a good point. Malta à lait. So,
Yes, so you have a helper.
combien moun, I don't know how many different cultures out there that do that, but Haitians love Malta à lait, man. We love Malta and the conditioned milk with lots of ice. It tastes so good. If you haven't tried this, you should try it, man. You should try it. Go to the store, get some Malta, get some lait, mix it together, and you get Malta à lait. It is really good, and Malta is good for you. You know, don't drink too much of it. One a day, you get what I'm saying? Put some milk in it and have fun with it, okay? Malta à lait, man. That's how we call it. This is one of our Haitian culture thing. We do it. And if there is any other culture like Jamaicans or Guyanese or I don't know, Trinidadian, any other like islanders out there that does that, hit me up in the comment. Let me know if you do it and what you do, and I can try it. You get what I'm saying? Let me know what you do like different, like as far as like beverages, and then I'll try it. And if you haven't tried this, Malta avec lait, go ahead and try it. Go ahead and try it and tell me how you like it in the comment section. So I'm about to enjoy this. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I'm out. And do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, man. Don't forget to subscribe.